Prime Minister Modi is likely to perform puja at the Mandir site, though the PMO has not confirmed the same so far. The RSS chief, Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh are amongst the invitees. Top BJP leaders associated with Mandir movement are going to be invited as well. Some of the biggest names include L.K. Advani, Murli Manohar Joshi and Uma Bharti. Sources have also said that not more than 50 VIPs are going to be invited for this event, and large screens are going to be installed in 5 to 6 areas of Ayodhya for the people to witness this mega event as well. Nilanshu is now joining us for the latest. Nilanshu, you've got the inside track that is coming in as far as what is going to be happening on 5th of August. Over to you for all the latest.
Chati, we all know that it is after the Ram Temple movement the BJP gained momentum across the country, and that is why it is being discussed that those who participated in the Ram Temple movement, leaders like BJP stalwart L.K. Advani, Murli Manohar Joshi, Uma Bharti, Vinay Katiyar and others will also be invited for the Bhumi Pujan that is scheduled to take place in Ayodhya on August 5, which is likely to be attended by the Prime Minister himself. Also, the former Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Kalyan Singh is likely to get an invitation for the Bhumi Pujan. The top seers will be present. What we have also been told that Home Minister Amit Shah and former UP Chief Minister, the Defence Minister of the country, Rajnath Singh, will also be participating in the Bhumi Pujan. The Ram Temple Teerth Trust is planning to invite 50 people. There will not be any rally as of now. No rally or public program is being planned, but yes, all those leaders who participated in the Ram Temple movement will be called for the Bhumi Pujan that is scheduled to take place.
None of the leaders of the opposition are also invited for this event. So wouldn't you see any opposition leaders also coming in for the Bhumi Pujan?
Chati, as of now, the details are being worked out, but what we have been told so far now is that it is almost confirmed that those leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party who participated in the Ram Temple movement will be called. Also, the top brass of the BJP will be there. As of now, discussions are being done in Ayodhya by the Ram Temple Teerth Trust members, but as of now there is no confirmation of any opposition leader being invited to Ayodhya for the Bhumi Pujan.
All right, and stay with us right there. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi has also launched a fresh attack on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This is coming in over the India-China border dispute.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.